think said next time I'm handle you.
Me pese. So we had a wound to me.
I'm handle you.
Mommy 15 minutes not na.
And now brother.
And then Tuesday.
And then Tuesday.
One of the most useless institutions in your Ghana high COCOBOD.
Okay.
Hey, and that mama uncle shot 33,000.
Kwame Nkrumah team. COCOBOD. No? Kwame Nkrumah is the first president of Ghana ha Oma cocoa farmers insurance.
Yeah.
It is a cocoa farmer kwe from na second chana. Na your friend is saying oh, the minister ba queen. Kojo boat you. Sika gu bag. No do what na from. Awala okwen sika no twa no yokotokro da na da o ye ba.
Crocodile.
Aw koha dey. Na president say yemro sika. That time no mobile phone in ho. But they were able to identify cocoa farmers who went to the farm and got wounded. Either by cutlass, either by anything, or even snake bites. They were paid.
Akoma FM.
Number 2, Kwame Nkrumah is the first president of Ghana.
Yeah.
Or yeah, cocoa hybrid. My cocoa board for when your imagine say, woman at the buy. No, they should not.
From Osino.
Your friend Papa be Kenjako. Kenjako. Ne ba me fantini. Ne papa igbeni. Your friend Kenjako. He is the first person that Kwame Nkrumah appointed, say, make sure, say, cocoa hybrid, you know, be caught the right way.
You get it?
Number 3, Kwame Nkrumah can say, any time, any commodity, eye bibia yedua, ne boo, be kosoro, anam faso be baso, and ebenya nyonyam ache cocoa no, cocoa be say.
Akoma FM.
It's watch this. It is true. I am yes, sir. A Greek minister we are.
Yeah.
Ne papa. Otu for chame.
Bafa
Afa koto. Akra baby o da bia nyame fa okra nsie yi.
Na ne ba ni se anything.
Me tell me who we in actually. Even that time. They made sure say in the Ashanti region, Western region, and bro, that be not Eastern region. Ashanti, Eastern, Western, these 3 regions. So we a cocoa farmer. Your friend be into them. We be set to cocoa farmers no make catch you. And to where do you cocoa na wie no? Answer cocoa na dru be ya afe no. Ya catch you say. Fa body etitem. Fa man kan
Fa banchene
fa banchishim adentra. In the wisdom of the then COCOBOD no. Cocoa was the biggest commodity. And gold be na wa Ashanti region ha. That time the overlord of this kingdom, Ekahum made sure, say, you cannot mine anything if you were not given the authority to do that.
Yeah.
Eti COCOBOD benya huodiya. Cocoa scattered everywhere in this country. Kofi, watch this. Ashton wadani bebre, cocoa ska.
Cocoa ska.
Bantama, cocoa ska. Asafo cocoa sika. Fantini town cocoa sika. Wo fa kwadaso wo bankran. Majority of the areas cocoa sika. All because Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah realized that we have to protect cocoa. Kofi, 1 cocoa. Would you cocoa ha? A wood robi a was as in cocoa in no minute. Said a would you be bia cocoa ye? The atosu me enu say ye science kakra wo school no cocoa root no nyane ekofom the aye ne say ekofom tententen a na atwe ensuo ene enuane de wa asase mu ehode no e de ba na afrudua na entime nkosoro na apete entimankani banche
ni nyina eni mire nyina
na aye fine Kofi ye no an say na me Yanji syndicated loan da Kwame Nkrumah time.
Akoma FM.
Even Buzi at time, Yanji syndicated loan.
You get it?
All of a sudden, you see 4th Republic in the mono. Many are saying JB say me wa akoko. Na me pesa me ton ba akoko. Na mom answer na me ton ba akoko. No Jimmy kwaje besia as me tumi aton ba akoko. Wona wanye wakokɔ ofie o. Ɛna opesa wokoton wakokɔ.
Yeah.
Akokɔ na kofi wo kwa koton no.
Jese.
JBC ansa na meton akokɔ no.
This is akokɔ
Me akokɔ ne kosia wo akobɔ besia. Asem wi amakoton akokɔ no de akotua besia na ka nyansa be na mum. Enti Ghana koko no ansa na ye beton koko no. Agi ye japade no. Ye de kɔbɔ besia. Ye bɔ besia ni wi a ansa ya bafie ni akɔ akoton ye koko. Ye fe syndicated loan. Sese ya me no ka se eka eda COCOBOD na IMFC. Se Ghana ban amfa Sino Hydro. Meba ba homia so ne. Any COCOBOD eka na eda ho no anka ho a sika ese so omde ma yen. Because COCOBOD they come more than $6 billion. It is sitting there in their books.
And syndicated loan is just about 1.3 billion.
Eda ho na ehumi say tree and a kade home e COCOBOD ho. Kofi wodi ano to nchen a sese ya me no ka sei. Wonwa edua koko ne sei. COCOBOD are useless to an extent say. They don't even see them. Womo te koko no munyo bi nto. Akwan na esese se obi kura beto obetimi di koko na firi nwura mu abakrom na akwatama habo. Na yetimi di akwa abrochire na Ghana nya so sika no. Akwan ne nye cause aban we buy no o si koko roti na ye ntwa so. Ye twa so still ye nye. So watch this. Farmers na kan manum ton say we are planting for food and jobs. No one fanan ka ho. The video is that we'll play it.
Yeah.
Entino, or no? Your person any say, over 1 acre of cocoa. Or 1 acre na, on to me 10,000. And a galam say for about no wabe catcher and say, for 1 acre na my say gold wo mo, say gold ni mo. You bet check cocoa negu. Get to galam say, into 200 million first. Never ko pass I say. Na sabra beji 300 million. Na fa kosi 3 bedrooms. E we kura se na tenem. Kofi, what dey no to nchen a? COCOBOD say, "Kanu na ka fertilizer na ye free." Teni yo. Bra, teni ye. Fertilizer na edudu cocoa do na e ye free. Say COCOBOD say, "I want to take the president out of this equation."
Yeah.
Because COCOBOD, they take decisions on their own. They go for loans on their own. Me pesa me de na do si nchen e wo COCOBOD issue we. Na COCOBOD for fertilizer na ye free. Dr. Puni or a medical doctor. On dua cocoa da.
You get it?
COCOBOD penny o ho sesi yi. Wa dua cocoa da. Wa ye Western Regional Minister da. Ono bo edu.
O ye kuani ba.
Mo so ye research about cocoa da into wonimdie wom.
And the Greek minister nso ye kuani ba. Enim cocoa ho asem.
No fertilizer na eye free no. Say ye ton. Ema kuani no.
Yeah.
Enti sa we ye kuani. Na wo cocoa. Wo ni sika wo de beto fertilizer. Na cocoa no wo bo na atadwe. Anase cocoa no akatibia besiso. Na wo ni sika wo de beto fertilizer. They are telling us that cocoa no tetem prom pansam na ensay. Enti the so-called hybrid cocoa na ye see. Ya nese wi a ye de ma cocoa farmers no kan na ye free. Say den. Now the farmers are buying.
But even on the fertilizer, when we said last time, ye cook omokoche 15 articulator tracks. Ye dey warehouse e won kran. Man for every bag dey akoko d'Ivoire eton. So they are even stealing the fertilizer na
kran. Farmer na odua cocoa no. Farmer ni nyamfa so bia. Woni ma dey ma Ghana cocoa farmers bufu ye kane. Ba ban ni hwede yie. Eye cocoa scholarship. Memete otweberi ate. Mete manso kaniago. Midua cocoa. Yesi ye ma cocoa scholarship. Kofiteni yo. Cocoa scholarship no. Obi te gran medical doctor.
The ba.
Ondua cocoa da. Ohun cocoa krada. Na ono ne ba.
E benefit cocoa.
Eji cocoa scholarship. Na memete Kumasi Fanti New Town. Me wo cocoa fo e o manso kaniago. Na me ba. Me ntimi ntua no school fees because COCOBOD ntimi meto me cocoa.
Because secondary school as Ankragwa. Me papa apply in the 90s ya farmer.
Okay.
So do cocoa.
Obi
teacher.
Etenkran. Say ono
ye mate.
Oye dwo ministries.
Yes.
Etina ne ba ohu afuoda ya wono Medina. Ade onima ye dwam. Tomatoes pen we huda. Na ye when your scholarship ni bi. Fa no to nchen. Ye benya cocoa clinics. E wo Ghana Kumasi ha ebi ha.
Adum cocoa.
Bisa wo se cocoa farmers dodo say na call cocoa clinic.
Akoma
Ekosa omo ho yade. Tete kwase. Okobo okro no na odi cocoa de bere ye wo Ghana ha. Yamfa ncha no wiai. Tete kwase went to steal cocoa. And o memini bi gu ni yam na odi de aka de ba ye. Uko krapi mampon.
Yeah.
Ye beka to say sabi eburu sabi enyado. Or the sabi ye hye ne yam saa de beduru Ghana. No we cocoa ni bi ka ho. Obi ti Kumasi, odua cocoa. Cocoa clinic kokko ho a, we ye farmer you can't pay. Enti ye ma cocoa clinic ayarehwe ni bi na wo ho atumi ato. Na obi ti nkran. Na ya ka chansa wo de we ye do ministries. Enti wo de wo yare a cocoa clinic. When him say,
Yeah.
ya wo Marahene.
My reckon.
When him say no ye do cocoa clinic.
Two for my reckon.
Mo. No, your medical doctor, Ewo Cocoa Clinic. Ask him now. He's still alive. He's not dead. Yes, me say, or Tiasi say, or what is your line, ho? Wusha Woma, Eba Yarashe, Ewo Cocoa Clinic now. Dr. Soso and so. Professor Soso and so. Engineer Soso and so. Lawyer so and so. We be kona cocoa phone frantema wo ho. No mo tete ho no mu wuwu te say nwe.
Sure.
Oh, and all the quiet. Eti cocoa farmers ni shase fa wo ho adwen entem. Then Rollins buy and on the sack of bibi be da da wo biom. Say e fa bibi cocoa roads. Eti sa we cocoa farmer. We dey do cocoa no ho second twa awo won keka pra. Na wunti ye beba be ye cocoa kwan no de amount. And Rollins introducing Cocoa Rose 18th August 1994. Naka 2 years me akoto the second term abano.
That's what it's 1996.
1996 18th August 1996 and 1994.
94.
And Rollins introducing Cocoa Rose as part of the celebration of Farmers Day. And he say, yeah, ma, the best cocoa farmer. What? The best cocoa farmer. Rollins time, the best cocoa farmer. You don't know if you're Ashanti region. Second one was from Eastern region. No, third one was from Western region. No, Yoba. Rollins time. Cocoa Rose, you could do, baby, no. Na ye Cocoa Rose one kind. Ye Cocoa Rose were Teshi, Wabra Soldier for the tour. Cocoa Rose bedroom a bed imuno. Na ye Cocoa Rose our makola e hoya ton China niama. Cocoa Rose kwa animuno. Na ye Cocoa Rose our savlugu nandom. Ye duan kate ne bayire. Na baby ya cocoa ni wono. Na ye cocoa kwan kofi. Enti do a certain point no. And a farmers who say, Most of my scholarship. Mama ye. Cocoa Clinic, ye yare amoma ye. Cocoa Roads, acquiring ye. Sasana tedia, be fufro bia ba. Aye friend galamsey. Na sa galamsey no.
Yeah.
Say galamsey ni ne ba aye kufasho.
But even Cocoa Road under John Dramani Mahama, I will do Cocoa Road. As one say, equine, ye the Cocoa Road na ye. In fact, a man see Central.
As one say Hausa Cocoa, near ye was.
Obia ni hwa ye won kwan. But ye the Cocoa Road ebe ya ba wa route. E wo Swami. Ye the Cocoa Road ebe ya Aswase. Ye the Cocoa Road eba be ye inner roads, a ring roads e wo Kumasi. Abra amansie ne sa Jacobu ne efia kwa abre ho na Cocoa di free ba ne de. Omo nsa nyanke.
Edu dabino. And a farmer net say, Cocoa na kra, so di makate. God in your home, tis actually a can, only my friend akate. Na kate besisi cocoa no sono. Cocoa board be catch a farmer say, Moon chabu cocoa ni nangu. na ye bremu a new hybrid na matimi adua. This was in 1998. JJ Rawlings eba Kumasi ha and obe launched the new hybrid of cocoa seedlings say they call areas na kwa kodua because that time no na cocoa farmers wa Ashanti region doso. Look, let me say this. When the idea dem fantifo bebre ba Kumasi cocoa cocoa and am ebenya Fanti New Town. Asante for the here no so don crofo esisi yen and yes we better Ashanti New Town. Cause I don't know free here now about how about Fanti New Town. Yes, let's say Fanti Old Town. So there's no Fanti Old Town, but Fanti New Town. Now Asante for so say Ashanti New Town. Rawlings yes, I did any way you know. Yeah. Chum. Cocoa na yes ya nesi. Na ebeko na farmers in the aduano kofi akatesi cocoa so. It is a Ghana Cocoa Board for Beka. They should go back into their records. December 1998. Yentimi enya cocoa even 200,000 tons. They should check their records. I am saying it. Cocoa conforma because of akate. Esisi cocoa ni nyina so. Eti edu 1999. September Rawlings here na dwen say. Obest topic galam say. Papa bi background we friend Kwan Hon. Na oye China ni Rawlings the time na Kwan Hon. Eba ya betre nhia so. Say China ni out to galam say. Enya asha Hwan kwa na oba o. Where ya Hwan, where ya Hon. HUN. Betre Kumasi no to gala. China for the status of Mutu gala 1999 our Ghana ha. The then Chinese ambassador, no your bad that time. A branch and Chinese ambassador at that time in the buyer saw a special aid. Special aid need to think that Betra Kumasi be 2 gala that time.
And of course,
you kwa di check cocoa na twegu. Asagro. He? Otu forcha me kentenkreti.
yeah.
Sabi eburu sabi enyado. Mani nsano miwura. Dia na wo a. And so ebedru no so. That time they made a decree e was Santiman Council. So we need to me say wutu form. Efa gudie e was Santimem. So tumfo nim ho hwea. Go to Menshia and ask. This was in May. May 1999. May 1999. We come Menshia Kaisa at the hall. Nina come messino. COCOBOD are useless to an extent, sir. As we speak. COCOBOD need control over the farmers. Now get the videos ready. COVID